So the Mytier crypto project is one of the most underrated projects in the crypto space, but I get to see a whole lot of potential in this particular project because a lot of the time projects that is just down there, they do well, better off than even the loud ones. Yeah, so you shouldn't just miss out on this project. The mining rate has actually been slashed by 50%, but it's still very, very early for you to jump right into it, for you to get started. I think few weeks ago they had a meeting with Binance. They needed to go into the a partnership with Binance, and they have also been approved by the Dubai government. So you shouldn't just miss out on this Mytier project for any reason. So I'll be guiding you through the process. It's a very simple one, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video. So let's jump right into the tutorial ASAP. After clicking on the link I'll be giving to you, you'll be asked to sign up, filling up your information such as your nickname, password, re-enter your password, submit an email, select your country. Okay, your referral code will display just like this. Age verification, 18 years or older, under 18 tick. Then ensure to accept terms and conditions including privacy policy agreement. Then click on sign up. After sign up, you'll be asked to continue by downloading app, or you can just continue to websites. If you continue to website, you'll be asked to log in, to give your login information. So just give your login information. So here on the website, you get to see your points, accumulated points, your country. Okay, and the current total supply of this token is around 12.1 billion. Okay, that's the current total supply. Okay, for you to mine, come here, click on this start button. So I'll just continue with 12 for the meantime. Come here every 12 hours to reactivate your miner. I will advise you to download the app, to install the app, and that way you get more benefits. For you to do your daily check-in, come here, click on this icon, click on this calendar. Now you'll be able to do your daily check-in to accumulate additional MT points. Yeah, click on these three lines at the top right corner of your screen. You see your wallets, go in there, create a wallet for yourself. Okay, should in case you're requested to do any KYC, ensure to do that. Okay, KYC, as it might be relevant. Once you come to this event section, okay, I think there are some events to participate to earn additional points. Okay, just participate, join their Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and so on and so forth to accumulate more points for yourself. It's that simple. This is the news section, the white paper, the customer support, anything you want. Okay, so the tutorial explains it all. Is that simple? Make sure you participate in this project and thank me later. All right, TG should be coming around 2026. Okay, so we have a whole lot of time for we to start mining. So let's just enjoy the moment, keep our fingers crossed, and hope for the best. See you on the next video. Bye for now.